Tyson Foods last Tuesday announced that Brady Stewart, Group President of Prepared Foods, Beef and Pork, and the company's Chief Supply Chain Officer, was leaving the food company immediately. Stewart took, quote, certain actions that violated the company's code of conduct, the company said in a statement, though it didn't provide further details. Before coming to Tyson 2 years ago, Stewart served as the Chief Operating Officer of Smithfield Foods. Tyson named Devin Cole as Chief Operating Officer to oversee the company's business segments, including poultry, beef, pork, prepared foods, and international. Cole will continue to report directly to Tyson President and CEO Donnie King. Cole has more than 30 years of experience in the industry. Tyson said his appointment reflects the company's commitment to, quote, robust succession planning. Cole most recently served as Group President of Poultry and International, where he was responsible for the company's third consecutive quarter of volume growth in poultry and improved profitability to the international business by driving efficiencies and cost controls. In a statement, King said, quote, we remain committed to executing our long-term strategy and operating the company guided by our culture and core values. Cole had previously served 20 years at Tyson before moving on to leadership positions at Keystone Foods and George's Inc. Tyson plans to share further leadership and organizational updates prior to September 28, 2025, the beginning of its 2026 fiscal year. The leadership shakeup comes about a year after Tyson's chief financial officer, John Randall Tyson, was suspended and demoted after running into legal trouble. He managed to land on his feet, however, and in May 2025, the heir of founder John W. Tyson was appointed to the meatpacking company's board, along with his sister, Olivia. They represent the fourth generation of the Tyson family to serve on the company's board of directors. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.